In this guide, I'll show you how to properly set up and connect any soundbar or TV speaker to your Hisense 4K Google TV using all three different connection types, be it wired or wireless. So let's dive right in. First of all, make sure that you have connected your soundbar to power and it's turned on. Now, some of you may be using your soundbar via Bluetooth. So first let me show you the Bluetooth connection quickly. For Bluetooth connection, first make sure that your soundbar is in Bluetooth mode. And then all you need to do is open the quick panel. From there go to Bluetooth and pair accessory. Now as we have already put our soundbar into pairing mode, it should pop up here. So just like any other Bluetooth connection process, just highlight it and press OK. It will say pairing, then you may get a confirmation. Just select pair again. And now our soundbar or TV speaker is connected via Bluetooth. Now let's move to the wired process. Your soundbar may support HDMI, optical, or both. So just plug the HDMI cable or the optical cable to your soundbar. Then if you're using an HDMI connection, you'll need to plug the HDMI cable into an HDMI out port, which is most of the times labeled as HDMI ARC or eARC. Other cables won't work. And in case of optical cables, just push it in until you feel a click. And you're good to go. After connecting, you'll need to check some settings on your TV. So start off by going to All Settings, and then you'll need to go to Channels and Inputs, then Inputs, and make sure that HDMI Control or HDMI-CEC is enabled. After that, you'll also need to double check the sound output of your TV. To check that, just go back to the settings main page, then Display and Sound, go down to Audio Output, and make sure audio output is selected as ARC in case of HDMI connection. And you'll notice as soon as we change that, our TV's speaker icon has changed. And in case of optical connections, you won't need to change these settings, but note that only the speaker's remote will work in optical connection. So you won't be able to use the TV remote to increase or decrease the volume. And that's how you can connect any soundbar to your Hisense Google TV. If you found this helpful, you can let us know by dropping a like and subscribing to our channel. And I'll see you in the next one.